Today I'm at my buddy Steve's place here in Illinois. He's got one of the coolest car collections I know of, mainly because his car collection is all over the place. If you lined all his cars up in a row, you go, what the hell's going on here? He's got anything, it's split up. Some is in Illinois, some's down in Florida. So today we're gonna see big old 70s cars, some 60s cars, some muscle car stuff, you know, good Mopars, killer Mopars, 50s Caddies, 60s Lincoln. It's just everywhere. And then I'll be shooting on location down in Florida at some point. Some other cars in his collection. Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Ferrari, you name it. So today is the cool, funky part of the collection. So here we go. This 65 Lincoln, suicide doors and all, is killer. I've driven in this car before. It is bad to the bone. It's all original California car, black. It's a real black car with 27,000 original miles. On airbags, it's slammed. Just, it looks like a crazy killer gangster car. This 69 Roadrunner's been in his collection for many years, probably over 20 years. Oh yeah, I remember you telling me that. It's clean, man.
Need detail right now.
Blue interior.
Okay, we're gonna try this.
Working? .383 4-speed B5 blue interior. Just awesome car. You know I like blue on blue cars if you know my past with Mopars.
Rudy's World.
What I love about this Mercury, this giant car with the giant quarter panels, it also has a giant glove box. It's like the biggest glove box I've ever seen in a car. Look at that. Look at this. Look at my hand by this glove box. This is insane. Oh, look at those old clear floor mats. God, this just takes me back to the 70s as being a little kid. Doesn't it? All you old people out there like me, this totally... Remember when cars all look like this? This thing's got... Oh, looks like 68,000 miles on it. Not the most fancy car in the world, but it's just cool. That's what I like about my buddy's collection. His taste, I should say, in cars. He's got some of the most expensive cars I've ever seen in my life, and some of the funkiest, cheapest 70s and 80s boats you could find on the road. Man, my grandpa had Buicks the same color as this and this. I swear, they look like my grandpa's old cars. I kind of remember, I think it was an 85 Buick. So these are both 83s, I guess. My grandpa had probably an 83 blue one, but his black one was an 85, I think. Let's check out this motor. Oh my God. Oh, there's a little surprise under the hood of this one. That is not factory. What's going on here? This one's got some nice horsepower on its hood. I'll have to find out what's going on with this engine here in a minute, but pretty cool. Nice sleeper car here, huh? Don't want to chop my fingers off with this hood. Jesus Christ. This is what I love about my buddy Steve. If he ever comes over, I don't know if he's going to show up in a Phantom Rolls Royce or some crazy Buick like this that he scored on the south side of Chicago. Just awesome. This Lincoln here has just over 22,000 original miles on it. Look at this vinyl top. Everything. Look at that back seat. God, it's like beautiful. It's like someone's living room in here. This car is so clean, it's crazy. I think it's a 76 or 77. 22,000 original miles on this car. Old Town Coupe Lincoln. Man, what a car. So last night at the local cruise night, they brought the silver one and the badass gangster black car. I got a couple cool shots I took of that black one in the pavilion, man. It was drawing a lot of attention. This is a really, really clean 68 Impala. Look at that, guys. Holy smokes. Just a super clean old SS Impala. God, it's almost like new in here. Look at this. The seats are beautiful. Somebody's blonde hair in there. What a car, man. Door closes perfect. So sitting over on the other side of the room is a AMG S63 Mercedes-Benz. Those of you that don't know what this is, these things are freaking amazing. I had to take some footage of it. This car is well over 600 horsepower from the factory. It's got like 664 foot-pounds of torque, and it's got a nice price tag of about 230 grand. Look at the crazy interior on this thing. The seats were unbelievably gorgeous, and the dash was just mind-blowing. God, look at these seats. How much do you think just this seat costs? I bet that's all air conditioning seats. Oh my God. Pick up some of the ladies with this one. Woo! All right, one thing I like about my buddy Steve is he's a Cadillac man, and he likes 1958 Cadillacs, specifically Eldorado Barretts. He doesn't only have one of them. He's got two of them sitting here. Look at these cars. These are incredible. Every time I come here, I just keep staring at all the details on these. Loaded with chrome inside and out. Both vinyl top cars, and there's awesome patterns on these tops like I've never seen before. Look at that. Crazy. He bought them both from a big Cadillac collector maybe a few years ago, and I think they're definitely here to stay. Look at this dash. The dashboards and interiors on these Cadillacs are crazy. They're just incredible. The detailing in the interior and the seats. These door panels have stainless and chrome on them. Look at this trim. You ain't gonna see many cars loaded like this with all this cool detailing and just shiny metal everywhere. What a freaking car, man. The headliner. I always have a hard time trying to decide which one I like better. This one or the black one. It's kind of a tough decision, but the black one's pretty badass. Let's go look at it. Yeah, look at that. That silver and black interior is crazy. God, what a beautiful car. Oh my God. Liked them so much, he bought both of them. Listen, that close just perfect. Are those incredible or what? Like, you don't see cars like that just driving around. Even at most car shows, you're not gonna see beautiful 58 Caddies, you know, in that condition. I see some 59s, but I never see these cars, you know? It's just unbelievable. This 71 Monte Carlo is so sweet. It's pretty rare. It is blue with a white painted top, not vinyl top, it's a white painted top. Low 70,000 mile car, beautiful, and it's a 352 barrel motor with a real interesting anti-theft device, which I'll show you. It's a 3-speed on the column. I don't think many people even know how to drive this car anymore. So look at this thing, just gorgeous original interior, that old velour, whatever you want to call it, beautiful. See, like I was saying, this is a painted top. Some cars, it was pretty rare, got a painted top, colored top, different than the body color, instead of a vinyl top. I'm sure a lot of you know that. There's some people that don't. If you've been on my channel for a while, you're definitely familiar with this bad boy. Numbers matching, real deal, triple black, 1969 Hemi Charger, 4-speed. Crazy concourse restoration by my buddy Joe back there. He restored this entire car himself, top to bottom, body paint, interior, engine, everything. Go back in my videos a little bit and you will see a whole video with all the details on this car. But this is one badass Mopar, really high-end muscle car right there. '69 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed car, blue with an awesome white vinyl top. And I know a lot of you hate white vinyl tops, but I love them. Let's take a look at that big block. Holy cow. That's detailed nicely, man. Wow. That's a thing of beauty right there. Look at that sucker, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of part of the collection my buddy owns. Like I said, I'm planning to go down to Florida this winter and shoot some crazy stuff. So lots more coming from this collection. There's just a little taste of the weirder side of it, but it's a side I love. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are gonna dig all these cars, you know. Some are gonna be into the 50s stuff, some are gonna like the 70s stuff. I like it all. So thanks for watching, and more stuff coming soon. Thanks.